And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with news of a dire situation involving Siamese or conjoined twins.
Now, their mother is desperately seeking medical help.
Now, over the past 5 decades, there have been about 2 cases of conjoined twins locally. One pregnancy was terminated, and in the other case, the babies died shortly after birth.
Now, the hope from this family, though, is for a happy ending. Romano Lyons has their story.
A crib neatly placed at the corner of a room. It was never used. For 11 months, the only home conjoined twins Azaria and Azora have known is the University Hospital of the West Indies. They were born on November 7, 2023, joined at the abdomen, sharing a liver.
Normally when you have baby, you bring home your baby, a newborn baby. That look a feeling there. If you take care of the baby, get up in the night. I don't have none of them feeling there. Got the baby from birth, hospital.
These clothes, purchased by a happy mom expecting twins, have never been worn. These shoes, never touched by tiny feet. Miss McMurray says her time with her daughters has been limited.
First time I used to have to see my baby them like 1 hour, 2 hour when them dep on the nursery. Like, oh, you fear get 1 and 2 hours for see your own child.
And now, just to lay eyes on her children costs money.
Just taxi fare, and we have to take like 2 vehicles for reach up at UWI hospital. So it's expensive, cheap.
She learned she was having twins that shared 1 placenta after an ultrasound. Another revealed that they were conjoined. Before the doctor broke the news, she knew something was off.
While doing the ultrasound, it take a little time. Then I see the doctor stop, then I'm going to call the next doctor, and the 2 of them I look on the screen, and them they attack. So in my head, I say, yo, what's something wrong?
Afterwards, she was at the clinic every Monday for monitoring, exposed to all the possibilities.
What can happen during the pregnancy, after the pregnancy, the health of them, they might not come out stable.
Gladly, they did. But there were many bumps along the way. She said doctors advised that they could be separated at 6 months old. Now, because of one of the twins' health, it was not possible. And at 9 months, there was another delay. Now, a few weeks from their first birthday, another opportunity. An opportunity that will cost the hopeful mother $4.5 million.
Leave know where to start from. So right now, I have to dip on the road. I look it, I want it, I beg.
Her plea to Jamaica.
Anybody who is seeing this, no matter how small it is, I beg on you, please. Help me and help my girls.
Outside her home, she broke down in tears. And it's not the first time. Her family told me that many a night she's deep in burden. One of her cousins is trying to raise funds on social media.
Right now, we're asking, we're pleading, we're begging the entire Jamaica for help to raise funds for her so they can do the surgery ASAP. We need the help, because it has been rough for the mother from birth until now.
Anyone who wants to assist, donations can be made to these accounts on screen. Romano Lyons, TVJ News.
No.